Hello student, today I am teach you class 6 science chapter 6 changes around us. Means what are the changes occur in our surrounding. In this chapter I have already taught about the some basic changes like formation of curd from milk and cooking of food, burning of fuels, etc. And these changes may be classified into two categories. Some changes are reversible in nature and some changes are irreversible in nature. Like melting of ice, is a reversible change, whereas formation of curd is a irreversible change, and so on. We can classify any changes into these two categories easily. Reversible changes are those changes if a product is, suppose that here we take ice and it is converted into water by melting. Then if again this water is converted into ice is possible, then we can say that this change is a reversible change. So we can say that if there is possible from one side to convert into another side and again from other side to convert into the original side, if it is possible, then this type of changes we call a reversible changes. In another way we can also say that if we obtain the original substance then we can say that this type of changes are called reversible changes. For example, boiling of water is also a reversible change. Stretching of rubber, for example, you have a rubber of this particular length, for example 10 centimeter, and you apply a force in this way, then what happens? This rubber is lengthens up to certain distance. For example, this is original length of the rubber, actual length, and after applying force it lengthens up to, suppose that, 12 centimeter. And if you remove the force from it, it again get it their original length 10 centimeter. Then we can say that the stretching of rubber is a reversible change, and generally it happens in case of rubber. So we can say that the stretching of rubber is a reversible change. And so on, we can take more and more example to grasp a clear knowledge about it. Let us take another example. This time we take coal tar. All of you know that coal tar, which is used for making and repairing roads, it is a black colored solid material by which roads are constructed. But when coal tar is heated, it melts and form a thick black liquid. Coal tar, when it is heated, originally it is solid in shape, and when heating is applied on it, it converted into liquid. Coal tar in liquid form. And again, if we cool this coal tar, it again converted into solid after cooling process. So we can say that the melting of coal tar on heating is a reversible change, because again after cooling they converted into the solid form. In the same way, the folding up of a dress or trouser to pass through a waterlogged area is a reversible change. So this is possible on heating process. So we can say that expansion or on heating is a reversible change. Is a reversible change because the increase in size on heating is called expansion, but after some time when the hot object is cooled it decreases in size and come back to the original size. And the decrease in size of an object on cooling is called contraction. So expansion and contraction. Expansion is possible on heating an object and contraction is possible on cooling an object.